wrapping things up. So congratulations if you made it this far. This was, I hope, a lot of fun, and it was designed to really introduce you to these basic concepts and start to slowly open up your ear so that if you were having trouble with a flawless course, now maybe the flawless course would be a little easier. Or if you feel like you were lacking your ability to quickly identify notes, at this stage, hopefully you can identify your notes a little more effectively. So this course was designed to help you develop practical skills quickly, allowing you to start working with music more effectively. It doesn't cover every topic in music theory, as you've noticed, but it does lay a solid foundation for your musical journey. For example, I haven't delved into the origins of the term clef, the grand staff, intervals, or rhythm notation. These topics, often found in introductory texts, are intentionally omitted here. The goal of this series is to offer an approach that teaches you what you need to know so you don't get overwhelmed. By the end of the series, though, you will have a comprehensive understanding of music theory, from tonal applications and counterpoint to advanced concepts like Schenkerian Analysis and Forman Analysis. This book really does reflect my life in music and nearly a decade of teaching at university level. And what I've done is I've put together a sequence. I've mapped out 60 books that are courses that are going to teach you essentially everything that I know, from a music theory and oral training standpoint, into these nice little courses that you can just take for 10, 15 minutes a day. When we get into some of the later courses, it'll be more like 30 minutes a day. But the goal here is to just fill in those gaps, and all you need is a little bit of time each day. And in the time it would take you to get a degree, if you just do this daily, you can also get your music theory knowledge and ear training up to a professional level. And it's just so simple. All you have to do is carve out, in the beginning stages, especially for this book, 10 minutes a day to do it, as you've seen. So why did I do this? I've seen students struggle with details when they should focus on applying basic principles. They get caught in the details. So once you can navigate the piano, recognizing notes in various clefs, and develop a good ear, once you do all these things, everything else falls into place. This series fills a gap that many systems miss, teaching you to be a musician who uses theory practically and intuitively. This course may not meet the needs of those seeking an all-encompassing text on music theory and ear training from the outset. Instead, it provides information in manageable stages. It helps you deeply understand music and fosters a creative rather than imitative process. You'll learn to hear music differently, and the concepts in this series are going to prepare you for more advanced courses in music theory and ear training. And so if you just come along with me on this journey, you are going to find that course after course after course, your knowledge is going to continue to expand, and you're going to be able to play music with a greater understanding, greater insight, and that'll help you get much more enjoyment from the music that you play. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing how you did in this course.